gentlemen, welcome back to another video here in Studio City, California. Just taking a little stroll. Really nice out today. It's a decent little neighborhood around here. I like it. I like it. Anyway, just wanted to come on here and share some rather exciting news, or hopefully exciting news in this case. In a pretty quiet neighborhood. There might be some people walking around, but thought I'd turn the camera on anyway. Oh, it's better lighting. Oh, it's much better lighting. Anyway, for those who know or don't know, I am a huge Emma Chamberlain fan, and I may not publicize it too much, but I'm also new on YouTube, so I just might not know anyway. But Emma Chamberlain, there's a chance. And some of the folks that I visited over the last couple of weeks know, and I've heard that I want to maybe run into Emma Chamberlain, maybe try and at least talk to her, say hi, get a picture, something. I love Emma Chamberlain so much. For guys who you don't know, she's a pretty big YouTuber, just like lifestyle, vlogs. She's traveling right now, but there's a chance. There is a chance that I might get to meet Emma Chamberlain. If you guys are in California, for one, I feel like I hope I'm getting the location right. But Chamberlain Coffee, that's her coffee brand. Chamberlain Coffee put on their Instagram story 5 hours ago from my time. Today is what's today, Thursday? Today is Thursday, October 21st. They put on this story Saturday, October 23rd, so this upcoming Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They'll be holding, let's see, oh, she just had a partnership with Erewhon. I think I'm saying this right. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But Erewhon, she's had a partnership, them and Chamberlain Coffee. They said they'll be selling our ready-made cold brew, reading off my phone here, ready-made cold brew, plus Erewhon's kale and bean salad bundle at Erewhon Palisades location. I looked that up because I know Emma Chamberlain is out traveling right now, but the Palisades location is in California. And if I'm getting the location wrong, please correct me. But I looked it up. It says the Palisades location. That's not that far away from me, so there is a chance that I might get to meet my YouTube celebrity. I'm excited. Even if I don't get a picture, I would like to get a picture. But even if I don't, let me cross the street here. Even if I don't get a picture or get to talk to her, if I just get to see her and just be like, hey, like, it'd be cool. Like, it'd be cool if I got a picture, but it'd be cool if I got a picture with her. So, anyway, if you guys are in California, Saturday, October 23rd, that's 2 days from now, from when I'm recording this video. This video is going to go up today. It's going to go up on Thursday because they just announced this earlier today. Erewhon Palisades location from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. They said, P.S. Emma might be stopping in to say hi. So that's a good sign. I'm excited. I never thought I would. I was like, okay, maybe I'm just, I'm just coming to visit some places for the sights. But when I saw that, I was like, whoa, there's a chance I might get to meet Emma Chamberlain. And if I do, I'm gonna cry. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna cry. So, yes, share this with so many folks. Emma, if you're watching this, I wanna meet you so bad. I know this is like really weird. I know you don't know me. I know my YouTube channel is very small. I have like 30 subscribers, but I'm very appreciative of those 30 subscribers. But I don't know. If I get to meet Emma Chamberlain, oh my God. And if she's watching this, which I don't think she is, but it's fine. But if she is, I hope I get to see you on Saturday. Huge fan. And for all the Chamberlain Coffee fans out there, let's go to the Palisades location. I think I'm saying that right. And hopefully I get to meet some of you guys there. Maybe we get to connect. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully I get to see Emma Chamberlain.